Some of the world's most advanced, impressive factories are located right here in Missouri.
I think you will be surprised by what you see, and I hope it inspires you to consider manufacturing as a career.
We'll be zooming in manufacturers from around the state to take you inside their operations and discuss the awesome careers that they have.
Because as you go through and you see all these fantastic videos from all these different manufacturing companies today, take a look at the process, see what happens, see all the different individuals involved to make a product that you see at home.
Manufacturing's for everyone. There's a job for everyone in manufacturing. Not only is it a great place to start with good pay and great benefits, it can be a very, very long and fruitful career.
What do you have built? What are the common companies that you do work with?
How many women have upper management roles?
What would be good for somebody to learn if they wanted to learn the basics?
We're always exploring new technology to keep our products on the cutting edge for our customers.
The air bubble in your shoes, are they stress tested?
Have you guys ever got to meet any of the athletes?
I think it's just a really good gateway to exploring whatever career opportunities it is that you want to pursue in the future.
There's a major need for people that are interested in working in manufacturing. That doesn't mean you have to have a 4-year degree to work in manufacturing.
What is some advice that you would give to someone who would want to work at Hibachi?
I would love it for anybody that's on this call to give us a ring.
What's the requirements?
You have to graduate high school. You have to be at least 18. We train you on everything you need to do here.
Assembly to welding to robot operation to engineering.
Production, warehouse, even in QA and maintenance.
The best opportunity that I've gotten in my entire life.
They've changed my life, literally.
I absolutely love what I do.
What I build today can affect the world tomorrow.